Hello friends and happy Saturday. I'm popping in really quick to let you know that I'm heading out to do some thrifting and also promote some new projects that I'm doing. Remember, if you donate stuff, you create jobs. So get in that closet, find some stuff, clear it out, and then start thrifting again. Got some kids stuff in it. Well, not kids, my sons are grown, but my son's stuff, my stuff, shoes, purses, bags, all kinds of things are in this bag and another bag already loaded into my trunk of my car. So we're going to hit up the Goodwill in Middletown and do some thrifting, which is today's promo. I'm going to be writing a post on the goodwillde.org new website. It's going to be 5 for under 25. So every month I'm going to hit up a Goodwill, whether it's going to be Dover or Smyrna, Middletown, wherever it is in Delaware County, and I'm going to write a post. So come on over, check it out, and let me know what you think. So wanted to come to you and also tell you, when you are thrifting, most of you know this, my thriftinistas know this, you want to be comfortable. So that is why I have my leggings, my flats, a nice loose fitting top, just a few pieces of jewelry, and my bag. I took out most of it, but it's still kind of heavy, and that's only because I have one of the most important things in here, water. When you are thrifting, you may get dehydrated, you may get tired. Water will perk you up and keep you going. If not, you can have a piece of fruit or a little breakfast bar, but I like to keep something like this in my bag to keep myself from getting too tired and hungry while I'm thrifting. Other than that, I have my glasses. You didn't know I wore glasses? Yeah, I wear glasses. My glasses, my cell phone, so I can take those selfies in the mirror, and of course my wallet, which might be too big. I'll probably just take this out, just have my cash, my debit card, and my license and insurance in there. So I'm going to head out shortly, but I want you to thumbs up this video, remember that, subscribe to my channel, follow my blog at Diva with an H, deals.com. Check out Goodwill's new blog. It's goodwillde.org. I'll be doing a feature once a month, 5 for under 25. Promo, promo, promo. Have a wonderful day, and I will be seeing you soon. Have a good Easter. I forgot. Also, may you be blessed now and always. See you soon. Bye.